I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you.
And we're back to our channel. Welcome to Jokesology, Biyahe ni Jokes, and right now we are celebrating the birthday of Kael Portaleo. Happy birthday! Yeah, birthday, simple lang daan with your family diri sa balay, and they were gonna do video okay challenge. So please don't forget to subscribe to Biyahe ni Jokes. Let's enjoy the video. Watch this.
Don't play with my heart, baby. You should have known from the start, darling. Let it fly to higher and higher. Let it go. Can't deny it before the start. Let it go.
Hala, okay, yung ilan niya.
Ano ba ako best?
So since kakaiba ang mong birthday, karon imo nang huyupo na musiga ang kanta.
Ang itaan na. Imuan na. Gamit sa sabon. So best friend.
Wala na ito.
Pero kung gusto dyan mo makuha niya siya preserve. Chismis ha.
Happy birthday.
Birthday mo
Birthday pa mo guys. Birthday ano man ako mga barkada doon. Ano man.
People dying for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. Sing your bells, sing it all the way. Oh, it's time to survive the water softness. Sing your bells, sing it all the way.
Natingala sa video, naisipatan sa kailangan. Hello, may your soul rest peacefully.
Reach the light, Kael. Reach. Follow the light, Kael.
Bago na po gaga mo. Amoy imburnal.
Namoy ninyo.
Uy, amin ako sa gawas ng walay ligo.
Bokoy! Happy birthday!
Ang wish na mo sa mga maligo na pero sa isa kasi malay kaduha ko maligo.
Salamat guys! Wala to masaan!
Hi! Sabado na!
Tsaka ka pa yung na-awit ng best friend.
Okay guys, thank you to family! Skill.